Quick disclaimer. Most of the following clips and photos don't belong to us, but belong to their rightful owner, so don't get butthurt over this.
Hey guys, Josh here from Your Average Car Guys, and today we are going to be counting down our opinion of the top 5 most iconic Fast and Furious franchise cars. So please remember that these are our opinions. If you have different choices or opinions, please feel free to tell us in the comment section below. Also, please remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn post notifications on to be notified when we post another video. Now, let's get to the cars. Starting out at number 5, we chose the Mazda RX-7. This car is the car that Dom used to win Brian O'Connor's ride in the first film. Then there's another appearance of the RX-7 in Tokyo Drift when it is driven by Han. Next, at number 4, we have the Mitsubishi Evolution Lancer. This car was given to Brian O'Connor from the FBI during his undercover work in the second film. This car also appeared in Tokyo Drift when Han gave the car to Sean. At the number 3 spot, we chose the Nissan Skyline. This car appeared a lot throughout the franchise because it was a major car of Brian O'Connor's. This car appeared in The Fast and the Furious, Too Fast, Too Furious, The Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift, Fast and Furious, and Fast 5. Coming in at the number 2 spot, we have the Toyota Supra. In The Fast and the Furious, it was used when Brian and Mia rescued Vince from the side of the semi-truck. It was also used at the end of The Fast and the Furious when they chased down Johnny Tran and his cousin Lance. They then used a white Toyota Supra, which was actually Paul Walker's in real life, at the end of Furious 7. And finally, coming in at the number 1 spot, we have the Dodge Charger. This car appeared in almost every movie of the franchise. There are 3 types that Dom had: the 70 Charger, the 68 Charger, and the 70 Off-Road Charger. That concludes the video. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn post notifications on to be notified when we post our next video.